class? So today we are at the extreme end of the first chapter, that is the physical world. So what is that part? So in this part we are going to know about the science. What do you mean by science? The word science arrived from which language? And what are the steps involved in the scientific method? What do you mean by scientific method? Okay. So what do you mean by science? That is the first question. So here, the word science is derived from the Latin word scientia. That is the word derived from the Latin word scientia. What is the meaning of scientia in Latin? That is to know. To know. ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು. Okay. So here, science word derived from Latin word scientia. Latin word scientia. And what is the meaning of scientia here? So here, scientia means to know. ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ. Okay. And what exactly the science means? What is the definition of science? So here, science means it is systematically acquiring knowledge from the natural phenomena. Okay. Science means it is systematic knowledge gained or obtained through the or by the natural phenomena, through the process called as observation and experimentation and conclusion. Conclusion means verification. Is it clear? What do you mean by science? It is obtaining knowledge about the natural phenomena through observations. Observations means by looking, by observing. ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡುವುದು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡುವುದು ಏನು ನಡೆಯಾಗುತ್ತದೆ, whatever the process going on, and next experimenting. So we need to conduct a similar experiments in the lab, and then verifying means concluding. Is it clear? So this is called science. Science means it is obtaining systematic knowledge about natural phenomena. Through observations and experimentation and verification. Yes, it is the meaning of science. Okay. So here I would like to consider one example in order to explain what is observation, experimentation and verification. Okay. So I think all of you have seen rainbow. All of you have seen rainbow. Okay. So formation of rainbow, it is a natural phenomenon. Now, if you want to say anything about, if you want to explain about the rainbow, first we must have to observe the formation of rainbow. When did the rainbow appear? When it's raining in the daytime, okay, in the afternoon time. And how can we observe rainbow? When we are observing the rainbow, our back part should be opposite to the rainbow. How many colors we are going to find inside the rainbow? That is 7 colors. What is the color which is appearing in the uppermost boundary? What is the color which is appearing in lowermost boundary? So these are all we have to observe first. We have to observe that natural phenomena, that is formation of rainbow. Next, in the dark room, we have to pursue that experiment. We have to consider the prism and a light source, and we have to observe, we have to produce the dispersion pattern in the laboratory. Okay? Then we have to conclude about the rainbow, how it is going to form. What are the physical phenomena that are going to happen when the rainbow is forming? Okay? So, all these studies included in science. Okay? Right? So, it is about science. Next comes scientific method. Scientific method. It is nothing but, don't get confused between science and scientific method. Method means it is the systematic procedure. Science means what? It is obtaining systematic knowledge. It is obtaining systematic knowledge by observation, experimentation and verification. Method means it is the procedure. It is the systematic procedure to understand the natural phenomena. The scientific method means it is systematic procedure to understand scientific phenomena. And here the scientific method includes this observation, experimentation and verification. Okay? Right. So scientific method means it is systematic procedure to understand natural phenomena. And here it includes 4 most important steps. Which are those steps? So the first one is keen observation, clear observation or systematic observation. Okay? And second one, I'll explain about all these steps. Second one, controlled experiments. And third one, logical reasoning. And fourth one, inference. Or else you can say it as a result. Inference. Or else you call that result. Okay? So already I explained about the systematic observation. So these are the 4 steps involved in scientific method. So first one is systematic observation. If any natural phenomena is happening, then we have to observe it very keenly. We have to observe it very keenly, right? And then we have to do the control experiments based on that natural phenomena. Based on that natural phenomena. Next one, logical reasoning. It means the assumptions made logically to solve the problems which we are going to encounter in the study of that natural phenomena. Is it clear? And next one, inference. Inference means result, conclusion. Okay? So just I'll consider one best example to explain all this. Chess, the playing of chess. Okay? So if you want to play the chess, first what you have to do? First, you have to observe carefully two people playing chess. Okay? Chess ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಆಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರೋ ಚೆಸ್ ಆಡಕತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕಾಯಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. Whichever the points moving in which direction, that you have to observe. You have to observe the playing of two people. Right? Then next, you have to do the experiment. Means you have to play. That is what? The control experiment. First one, observation. First one, observe the two people playing chess. Next, you have to play. You have to play the chess. That is what? The experiment. Then, logical reasoning. Logical reasoning means observations made logically to solve the problems. When you are playing the chess, first you have to think in your mind. Oh, if I move this coin, queen coin, or else ministry coin, what are the possibilities going to happen? If I am going to move this elephant, what can be made next move? Oh, if I move right side, he may attack from the next column. I should not do this one. Okay, I have to do this move. So you have to think in your mind. Okay, before moving your coin, you have to think. That is what the logical reasoning. You have to think how to encounter the problems, how to move safely. That will be the logical reasoning. Okay, and the final one, inference. That is the result. That is based on your observation, your experiment, and your logical reasoning. Based on these things, your result is going to get. Okay? After thinking very logically, if you move your coin, the result will be you may win the match. If your logical reasoning is, or the logical thinking is very good, you may lose the play, you may lose the game. Right? So first, look here, informative observation. You have to observe the play of chess between the two players. Then you have to play. You have to step into the game. Then you have to think. That is logical thinking. You have to think in which direction I need to move. How to what we can say? How to hit the other player's coin. Okay. If I move in this direction, how he may come. It all thinking will come under logical thinking. And the final one is result, inference, whether you have won or lose. If you won, how you have won. If you lose, what are the mistakes you have done. That comes under inference. Is it clear? Okay. So the notes of this chapter. This completes the first chapter. Notes of this chapter immediately I am going to send you. Okay. And the students which have joined newly please go through the older videos which I already uploaded in YouTube. Okay. However, I am going to send the link of the video. Okay. Next, you have to go to my YouTube channel. Abhishek Rai Reddy Physics channel is there in the YouTube. You just go there. You can get the bridge course chapters and the remaining previous classes of first chapter. Okay. Then finally you can go through this video. This is the last video of this chapter. So in the next video we'll start with the second chapter, that is units and dimension. Okay.